Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to run flash sale campaigns using ManyChat. So to create sale campaigns using ManyChat, you'll primarily work within the ManyChat platform itself, specifically the flow builder to design your campaigns, messaging, and logic, and then connect it to Facebook ads for distribution. You'll also need to use Facebook Ads Manager to create the ad campaign that will trigger the ManyChat flows. So, step number one, create a new flow in ManyChat. Navigate to the flow builder and create a new flow. This flow will contain the messages and actions that make up your sales campaign. Now, within this, you need to design your campaign. So, start with the trigger. Define how the flow will be initiated for sales campaigns that is often a click on a Facebook ad. Now build the conversation, create a series of messages using text, images, buttons, and other elements to guide users through the sales process. Include clear calls to action. Incorporate sales elements. Use features like product carousels, payment options, or lead generation forms within the flow to facilitate sales and collect customer information. And add automation. Incorporate features like conditional logic delays and use input to personalize an experience, the streamline and the sales process. Save your Save your flow, give your flow a descriptive name for easy identification later. That's it. Thanks for watching.